their bait. It's weird. This guy's literally standing on him. I don't know what I just watched, but didn't look pleasant for that goose. There we go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Woo! What's up, everybody? Today is probably going to be my first video on the channel. Depending on what I want to put out there first, but I think this might be it. And today, just arrived at the pond that I'm going to be fishing at. And the whole goal for today is going to be catch something on the 3D printed lures that I just made. I actually just made one yesterday, or finished it up, so I'm going to try that. I made one previously. I'm going to try out both, hopefully catch a bass, or at least something, at least get the confidence up on the lures. But they swim well, they look well, they look great, and I think we're going to catch something on it today. So other than that, let's get to it and let's catch something. Let's go. This is one of the 2 lures that I'm going to be throwing. Other one's just in the box. It's actually a little bit bigger. It's got the black and red, kind of like a crop pattern, but this one's a little bit smaller. This one's actually the one I prefer based on how much I've thrown it, and I just like the action of this one. So we're going to try this one first. And I know this will get bit, it's just a matter of catching. There we go. Let's pick up. Oh, just missed it. It wasn't a bass, but it was a pickerel. First bite of the day, though. Right on this, near this log over here. Right at the boat. Right at the boat. Oh, perch. Already caught a perch with my lure. I'll take it though. First fish. You guys probably saw me. I was just reaching for the paddle, about to get a little closer to this log, and I think I literally did put my rod down, and then all of a sudden the tip just dropped. Fortunately not a bass, but we'll take it. We'll take a perch right now. And first cast in the trees. There we go. Big bass. Another pencil pickerel. There we go. See you, buddy. Well, we're catching stuff with it. It's not what we want. Biggest pickerel of the day. Not saying much. Let's see if we can get a bass. I know there's bass in here. It's not biting. Alright, we just got to the other pond. Looks pretty nice right here so far. Not too windy. It's good. Kayak isn't drifting too much, but only thing that we've done differently since the last pond is I switched the lures up slightly. This is very similar to the other silver and white one I was throwing. Besides, there's a hint of chartreuse at the top. So we got that white belly, different eye color, and this time we got the gills on there. So hopefully this will do something. I've had some pretty good luck here in the past, so hopefully it stays that way. But for now, let's make some casts and see what happens. Ooh, there we go. There we go. There's a fish. Small one, but maybe a bass this time. Hey. You guys gotta check out how big this one is. This one is massive. Massive fish. Look how big that guy is. It's actually first bass though. We'll take it. Had a feeling that finesse might be the way to go today, but hey, small guy. Have a good feeling about right up here. I think it's gonna produce something. Oh, that was the one. I saw it. Came up and ate the crankbait. That was the one. It was a bass too, probably like pound and a half, 2 pounds. Saw it come up to the surface, swiped at it, and just didn't really hit it. But that was the one. There's one. Yep. It's on. Let go again. What's up with them just like swiping at it? Ooh. Yep. There's one. There's one. Let's go. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Flip it in. Let's go. Woo! Look at that. First one. One finally committed. Finally committed. First one on a new crankbait. Look at that. Just barely got him, but he got it. That guy. Look at that. See you later, buddy. See you later. Later. So I'm casting it right on these isolated reeds right here. And that first hit that I got with the crankbait a little while ago was on that, right on these isolated reeds as well. And that's what I've been doing. And I've been getting some hits, and I missed that one just before I caught that one. That one finally committed. Not bad though. Maybe about 2.5 pounds. Just feels so good for someone, if you ever get into a position where you've made something, in my case this lure, and you have an intent of or a goal that you want to achieve after like you make it. If you reach that goal or like even above, it's like one of the best feelings you can ever get. It's so awesome. There's one. There's another one. Crappie. We're catching everything today. That's a pretty decent sized crappie though. Not a bad one. Little crappie. See you later, buddy. Alright. Let's try that. See what happens. Oh, something hit it. There we go. Yep. That's one. It's a bass. Small guy, but we'll take him. We'll take him. On the chatter. Whew. There you go. Said I got a half hour left to try and catch another one, so we'll catch it. We'll catch it. Yeah, about a pounder. Little guy. We'll take him. Trying to figure out what these guys are eating, but not a bad one. See if we can get a release on this guy. Last cast. think that's gonna wrap it up for today. Caught 3 bass, lost a couple. We got a crappie here as well. Not mad with that, but we're gonna head back on land and we're gonna call it a day. Not a bad day though. That's going to be it for this one, guys. If you guys did like the content, be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below. But for now, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Get a paw? Paw? Dude. Paw? Good boy. This one. Paw. No, other one. Come on. Nope. Hey, other one. Nope. All right. Not feeling it? Okay.
Nope, not gonna happen.
Good boy.